guys, it's Fonzie with Dip Your Car, and we've got a great mix for you today. Now, Gabe and I were standing in the Pro Rack in front of hundreds of options, and we were trying to figure out what we wanted to spray. And we wanted to do something different, something totally out of the norm. And I've had my eye on a specific pearl for the past several months, and we've never got around to spraying it. It's called Double Shot Espresso. It is a super dark, rich, deep brown. But we wanted to spice it up a little bit. And I asked Gabe, what could we use to spice up, liven up this espresso? And then he pulled carbon gold. So today we're mixing together a beautiful, dark, golden espresso. We're going to see what it tastes like. Enjoy the video. All right, guys, I'm not going to lie. When we went into this one, I did have my hopes up. I'm usually kind of drawn to these weird, quirky, unique colors. And to be honest, it didn't let me down. I love the way this came out. It's not gold. It's not brown. Gabe said it looks like aged brass. And I want to know if you can do better than that. After we go outside and you check out the color, there's a pinned comment below. I want you to leave a comment and tell us what you think this color should be named. After the first 24 hours, the comment with the name that has the most likes gets a $20 DYC gift card. Now, if you want to dip your own car, click right up here. We have tons of colors and kits to choose from. Thank you for hanging out with me today. It's Fonzie. I'll see you guys on the next video. Hey guys, it's Fonzie with Dip Your Car, and we've got a great video today. Gabe and I were standing in the Pearl Rack, and we were trying to find something totally different, something offbeat that we haven't used ever, and I don't remember the name of the Pearl already.
Double shot espresso.
Chocolate espresso.
Double shot.
Double shot. And we were thinking we wanted to do something different, something off the cuff that we haven't done ever before. And there's just one Pearl I've had my eye on. Chocolate, what is it? Double shot espresso. All right, guys, going into this one, I had my hopes up, I'm not gonna lie. I love this kind of deep, rich, kind of different kind of color vibe. And well, I already forgot what I was gonna say.